Hey y'all, welcome to Vlogmas. I'm super excited to share my December with you. This is my third Christmas here in Japan, and I decided why not do Vlogmas this year. If you don't know what Vlogmas is, I will be vlogging every single day all the way to the 25th of December. Yes, a video every single day, and that's long form and short form videos. So we're gonna see how this goes. I've tried to do it in the past and I've always stopped, kept going, stopped, kept going, stopped, kept going. But this year I really want to keep up with it, especially being here in Japan. I just want to show kind of, what we do during the holidays and just kind of the area that we live in, because they get real festive around here. I'm gonna show you what I got from the grocery store. One thing I really don't like when you wear like the two shirt situation, it's really cute, love it, but how I just feel like super big. Like I feel like that, like, yeah, that's how I feel. So don't mind me. While I was on the phone with my grandma, right, and so we're talking as I'm getting ready to check out, and I forgot I needed to get bags because I didn't bring my reusable bag, so I had to put everything in plastic bags and carry them like this. And then I had like the flowers and the celery in my purse. So I showed y'all just about everything I got. The only thing I don't think I showed y'all, because my grandma called right in the middle of me grocery shopping, was these flowers. I don't even think they're technically flowers. Well, they gotta be flowers. They were in the flower section. But like, I don't know what, hold on, let me take it out, show y'all. I don't know exactly what type of flower this is. Like, look at this. This is adorable. And I was like, oh, maybe a cranberry, but I was like, I don't think cranberries grow like this. So therefore, I don't know, but this is our flour for the week. And I also got bread because while I was grocery shopping, I was like, oh, I might as well make a French toast. This is not breakfast. I might as well make a cheese toast. So I think I'm gonna also do that in cheese toast. Grilled cheese, y'all. I cannot talk right now. My mind is just like going. Because right now, I'm going to put these groceries up. We're going to head to Abu Plaza because AJ's birthday is this week. And there's something I want to get him from there. His other gift should be arriving today. I really, really hope it does. I really just hope it arrives sometime earlier in this week than later in this week. So then I'll have both his gifts. This one's more like a gag gift. Like, I feel like he's gonna laugh, and I can't tell y'all what it is because this video will go up. He's gonna see it, and I don't even know what his birthday gift is yet, so y'all will have to wait on that video when that time comes for AJ's birthday.
Like a rave at the condo, heck of a night in Toronto. She said, boy, you in Morocco. Pearl white mansion in the top gold. Fill up my cup with the pot, whoa. High off life in the spot, though. Running up the visa, really talking to a real life Mona Lisa. Jesus pieces hanging off the fleecer. So much going on, it's hard to focus on the features. I got too many, I'm going. Too crazy, and I got bad ones and they ready. A good time, so now it's in the way.
So before we go to Abu Plaza, we gotta order some lunch. And I'm thinking McDonald's. I know it's not the healthiest nor the best, but it's quick. I'm ordering on Uber Eats because I am very, very hungry. And I have a bone to pick with Uber Eats. Why? Early on when I got here, because at home we don't use Uber Eats, DoorDash. We really don't use any service. We just go pick up our food. It's just more convenient. So when I got here, for some odd reason, my Uber Eats account was being like super weird. And so when I ordered the food, and then I ended up having to cancel it because it was going to the wrong address. And after that, they ended up putting like a pin on my stuff. Like, so every single time that I do like drop off to me, I have to tell the Uber driver person that the Uber Eats driver person a pin, and it's super, super annoying because it was not like that any of the previous times I've used it. But now I just do leave at my door and call it a day. But sometimes when I do meet at the door, it doesn't do it. It only does it at certain locations. So I don't know if it's the location or if it's Uber Eats. But yeah, just ordered the food, waiting on that. I'm gonna eat, and then we'll head to Abu Plaza. I'm back from Amu Plaza. I changed to something a little bit more comfortable, but let me show y'all what I got. I can't show y'all everything because some of it pertains to AJ's birthday, but I will show y'all what I can, which will be these cleaner wipes that I got 2 packs of these. I also got a microfiber cloth. There's 2 of them. Yeah. Oh, is it 3? Oh, I thought it was only 2 towels. Oh no, it is only 2 towels. Okay. I was say, I didn't know that. And then I also got myself some mascara. I really don't know much about the brand, but what I like to do when I do my mascara is I'll do 1 layer in one mascara and then I'll do a second coat in a different mascara. It just makes me feel like my lashes are extending and I like the look. It's something I like and that's what I do. So I did give me 2 new mascaras because I ran out this morning. So right now I'm getting ready to prepare to cook this creamy chicken noodle soup. Hopefully you guys enjoy that. Also, this is how I like to cook. This is what I like. Y'all might do something different. That's fine. That's cool. That's cool. No problem. But this is how I like it. This is how we eat it. And that's what it's gonna be. So let's get everything prepped and cooked. I already have my pot out. Oh, and don't laugh at my pot because the pot I got on accident, I got this last year. And so accidentally, I got one that I can't put this directly on, like to the heat, like, cause this is a gas stove. I can't put this directly on the heat. So I put another like pan underneath it, but that can be directly on the heat, and then that on top. You'll see it in just a minute, but don't laugh. But that's how we gotta do it when it comes down to any kind of like soup type of thing.
So done. I know between the ache of trying to falling back and dying on my bed.
Right now, while my soup is kind of marinating and simmering right now with all the juices and the garlic and the onion and the celery, the chicken, the potatoes, the broth, just everything. Chef's kiss. I'm super excited about this chicken noodle soup, creamy chicken noodle soup. So I'm not even done with it yet. I still have to add the heavy whipping cream and Parmesan cheese, and of course gotta make my noodles. And I like to do my noodles on the side because I feel like when you add it in the soup, it becomes super like soggy, and I don't like that for myself, so that's not happening. I really hope you guys enjoyed day 1. Thanks for being here for Vlogmas, and I'm super excited to share the rest with you guys.